What's up? What's up, everyone? Today, oh wait, got one more thing. Boom. I'm gonna figure out a way to put these three together. Make this go up, and yeah. But first, we need to figure out how many does these take to make this go up without just stay on the ground. But yeah, I've got some of these. I'm gonna light. Alright. Oops, sorry, my bad. Wait. Is the camera good? Yep, the camera's good. It is kind of wet out, so yeah. Alrighty then. Alright, now with these two, let's figure out how many it'll take to make this go up using just this tape. Alright then. Let me try. I'll try 15 of them because I feel like it needs at least 15. Alright, I'll be right back. See, I got 3 on this so far. I'm trying to be able to do it where I can at least light them all. Light them all at once, hopefully, so it doesn't go awkward. Alright, yeah. I'll be back when I'll use the power of the editing to make this go quicker. Alrighty, I got these, got 3 more set up on the other side. Let's try to do it, see how well that will work. Alrighty then. Let's try it. Hold up. Hey. See if I can. Oh, I need my free hand. Be right back. I'm back. Let's try to do this. Hopefully we can do this at the same time. Get this to. Oh, shit. Yeah. If I can get this to stay. There we go. Let's try to do this real quick. Alright, the fuse seems close enough. Alright, let's try this. Oh shoot. Okay, that didn't work. That did not work. Dang it. It's too hard because of the wind is not. Dang it, stupid wind. Hold up. The wind's literally taking it. Blowing the stupid thing up. Oh, come on. I'll be right back when the wind settles. Hold up, wait. I think it's done settling. Okay. Oh. Oh, jeez. Okay. Lit more than one. Oh, actually lit almost all of it except for one. But they were not timed right. The only thing it did was shift the thing. Okay then. That's only left one. This is the hold up. Alright. Get this off. Oh, but the tape so later. Well then. Got this one that's falling off. Alright. Got back off on that one. That thing is. Alrighty then. Got a bunch more. Maybe we can tape it off. But it's on. Ooh. Oop. Let me get the water off. Boom. I don't know. Or we could tape it off onto the smoke bomb. Mammoth smoke bomb. Nah. What could we do? This is light enough too. If we just fit all of these into here. No. Do it like this. Nah, that'd be silly. But I got an idea. Maybe. What else could we do with the? Let's see. I wonder what else we could launch with these. Let's see. I don't think I can find it. Nothing of it here seems good, but I gotta find something. Cause yeah, one thing didn't work. Wonder what's. Yeah, I'm doing. Think about the bottle idea. Alright. Alright. I don't know. This is a random idea I had. It's probably not a great idea because, yeah, it's probably gonna go bad, but not gonna go with the idea I was thinking about, but I can at least keep it together. There. That's my best. Alright. Alright, let's go. I did my best. Alright, there we go. Oh shoot. The winds might mess me up. Oh shoot. Jeez. Smoke on the glass. Yep. Oh, there's only, what, two? Only two. There's only two. That's only two survived. And it sounds like feels like it's gonna rain a little bit. Oh shoot. Oh, I didn't catch it. But the smoke on the grass is crazy. Looks like I don't have any more of the crisps, but let's get one of the smoke bombs. Be right back. Oh, I'm back. Got the smoke bomb. It's big too. Man, too bad they did apparently some kind of law. There's some kind of law. Apparently they got rid of the smoke bomb that's a pole string one, but this is a big one. It's in position. Be good to prank someone with this. Ooh, just supposed to smoke a lot. Alright, now that's, oh geez, quite smoky. Alright, now don't blame me there. Oh shit. Daddy? Your car's smoking.
Yeah, I know, but Joey got this at the house, it's still in the house.
Don't you want to check on it? Don't you want to check on it? Dang it, didn't work. I think she's seen me do it. But this thing, yeah, this thing is crazy. But do not lay it on the grass, especially when you light, because, yeah, blows up. It'll just light your grass on fire. Alright, put the way. Fire in the hose! Yeah? Alright. Okay. Fireman told me to stop, so yeah. That'll be it for today. Peace out.